You're going to see a wizard? Won't you take me with you?
Why, of course I will.
We're off to see a wizard!
Just follow the yellow brick road.
Close your eyes. Castle views together. Follow the yellow brick road. We're on our way to see the wizard. To get him hard.
Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Beautiful Halloween. Now, are you a good witch or a bad witch? Comment below. This look is pink, magical, and so glittery for Halloween. You know her from The Wizard of Oz, Glinda, the Good Witch of the North. As Glinda would say, just follow the yellow brick road. Glinda is radiant and glowy, so I'm starting off this look by hydrating my skin with a dewy serum. Next, I'm using a toner mist to hydrate my skin before foundation and just prep my skin. For a flawless base, I'm using a medium coverage foundation and just applying it with a sponge for a skin-like finish. These are my makeup sponges I'm using. They are so magical. Now I'm just concealing under my eyes and blending out. With a brightening pressed powder, I'm going to set under my eyes. This is going to create a matte highlight under my eyes and make my skin look airbrushed. Now to add back in some shadow and definition with bronzer, I'm bronzing my jawline, cheeks, and also my forehead. I'm also going to bronze my nose. Glinda has a really soft look, so you don't need too much contouring. Time for some brow magic. I'm filling in my brows with a warm brown shade and setting them with a tinted brow gel. Her hair is red, so I'm using the warmer brown products to match the wig I'll put on later. A fantasy palette for a fantasy eye look. But first, don't forget to prep the eyes with concealer. We need this eyeshadow to last all day. We're going to Emerald City. Picking up this pinky nude shadow, I'm gonna blend into my crease with a fluffy brush, and I'm just creating a soft winged shape. Dipping into these two pink shadows, I'm adding some color into the crease. With those same two eyeshadows, I'm going to start draping. Draping is when you apply blush around the temple area, going onto the cheeks, and framing the eyes. Using some concealer, I'm going to cut the crease and add a shimmery white eyeshadow over top. Picking up a pink glitter shadow, I'm going to swipe this onto my eyelid and also use it as a highlighter. So sparkly. The munchkins are going to be shook when they see this highlight. Now adding this purple shimmer shadow on the outer corner of the eye look. Smoke out that lower lash line with pink eyeshadow, just lightly and very softly connecting to the blush. With a white shimmer, I'm going to highlight the inner corners of my eyes. It's okay if it gets everywhere because you want to be very glittery and very shimmery. Add mascara and fluffy false lashes. Now for the best part, rhinestones. I'm using lash glue and very small rhinestones to create a staggered pattern on the outer corners of my eyes, going onto the apples of my cheeks. The smaller the rhinestones, the better and the more intricate this eye look will look, and I'm using a few different sizes here. For lips, I'm defining my lips with a hot pink lip liner. This warm pink shade of lipstick is going to bring the eyes, cheeks, and lips together to match perfectly. Glinda loves her glow, so I'm dusting on some loose highlighter. And lastly, don't forget setting spray to lock in the whole look and make it last. Now for her famous locks, I'm popping on a red wig with soft waves, her crown, and because her crown does have some stones that go into the center of her forehead, I'm just gonna glue some rhinestones on the center of my forehead. And most importantly, glitter. Would this really be a Halloween look from me without glitter? I couldn't do it to you guys. Add lots of glitter to make you sparkle like the Good Witch.
You don't need to be helped any longer. You've always had the power to go back to Kansas. She had to learn it for herself. Now those magic slippers will take you home in 2 seconds.
And here's the final Glinda the Good Witch makeup look. I hope you enjoyed. And be sure to like, subscribe, and share with friends who need some Halloween inspo. Thank you for watching Beautiful Halloween, and I'll see you in my next video. Blooper time. Can we get a little commotion for the dress?
Yeah, like like this. Get Glinda getting done. Pop it. What's the song that goes pop tack it when they went on the bottom? What was that song? When do it, do it, that they were on the floor.
Block and drop it. Here's the finished makeup and costume. What do you guys think? I actually don't want to take this off. It's 11:30 at night. I think I need to go to Walmart.